Private aviation is the pinnacle of luxury transportation. As commercial travel is becoming increasingly complicated, more travelers are choosing to fly private. Recognizing the demand for greater personal attention and experiential travel services, Imperial Jets welcomes you to a new standard in charter service. For your trip, choose from the world's most elite aircraft. Board and take off when you are ready. In flight, experience serenity and ultimate luxury. From takeoff to landing, the Imperial Jet staff will attend to your every desire. Our world-class operators ensure the most thorough inspections to assure your safety. At Imperial Jets, we believe each Imperial element is critical to the success of each and every experience we arrange. We look forward to having you with us.